How to remove an app installed on an iOS device using NovaEMM. Step 1. After successfully register and logging into b2b.novaemm.com, ensure that your iOS device is in supervised mode before proceeding. To activate the supervised mode, click on the eye icon and follow the instructions provided in the video tutorial. Step 2. To access the iOS profile configurations option, navigate to the dashboard and select the device profile you wish to modify. You can either click on the edit icon or click on the device profile name to proceed to the configuration page. Step 3. You navigate to the application menu in the device profile and you will be able to view any apps that have been added from the App Store and assigned to the device profile. From there, you can select the app you wish to delete and click on the delete icon. Once you have confirmed the deletion, click on the apply policy button to ensure the changes are saved and the policy is applied successfully. This will trigger the remote deletion of the selected app from iOS devices that have been assigned to the device profile.